Okay, I'm looking at your homework that you did, and you got a pretty high score on that. This is question number 3 that you had to do in the homework. And you weren't asked to solve, you were asked to simplify, like a number of questions in this homework set that you did. So what I look at is you could simplify this, and this is question 6.1.9. So if I go to your quiz and take a look at that, and let me go back out here to your quiz. And then take a look at your question number 11 in your quiz. It's the same question, 6.1.9, and you're doing the same thing, but you didn't answer anything on that. And you can go back and look at the problems that you did in the homework and check out their number, and then check out your quiz questions. All of their numbers are either exactly the same or within 1 or 2 questions in your homework. So I'm not sure what you mean by, it didn't match up, or it wasn't solvable. A lot of these are simplify. If I go into your quiz and I pull this up, you're not solving, you're factoring and simplifying or multiplying. But before you multiply, you factor, you cancel, and then you simplify. This is question 6.1.29. So I'm thinking if you take a look back in the homework, you should be able to find something similar to that, where you had to multiply 2 fractions together. It might be the one that you missed here. Let's see. Yeah, this is where you're multiplying 2 fractions together. You can kind of take a look ahead and behind. This one you're dividing. So when you divide, you flip and multiply. But again, you're factoring and then canceling. So, you got this answer correct, and it's very similar to the one that you had in homework, or had on the quiz. In fact, this is even more similar. It's a multiplication. You factor, you cancel, you come up with the answer. What is the product? The problems on the quiz, like I said, are based on the problems here, and you can go through and check out the number here in the homework versus the numbers that you had to do in your quiz. You'll see they're very similar, if not the same.